What is the value of the given expression? Simplify. Assigned y to be equals to x. This implies that the sum of 16 to the power of 2 times x and 32 equals the product of 12 and 16 to the power of x. Let u equal 16 to the power of x. Thus, the sum of the square of u and 32 equals 12 times u. Rearrange the terms in one side of the equation, and we have the quadratic equation shown on the screen. Factorize this quadratic equation formed. We have that the product of u minus 4 and u minus 8 equals to 0. Either u minus 4 equals 0 or u minus 8 equals to 0. Thus, u equals 4 or 8. But u is equals to 16 to the power of x, put u equals 4. So that the square of 2 equals 2 to the power of 4 times x. Equal base cancel out and we have 2 equals 4 times x. Hence, divide the equation by 4. X equals half. Recall that x equals y. Therefore, y equals half. When u is equals to 8, we have that 8 equals 16 to the power of x. 2 to the power of 3 equals to 2 to the power of 4 times x. Equal base cancel out and we have 3 equals 4 times x. Hence, divide the equation by 4. X equals to 3 divided by 4. Recall that x equals y. Thus, y equals to 3 divided by 4. Therefore, y equals to half or 3 divided by 4. From the given expression, the square root of the sum of 1 divided by y and the square root of the sum of 1 divided by y and 2. Substitute y equals to half in the given expression, and we have that simplify the substituted numerical expression, and we have that the square root of 4 equals 2 after simplification. Therefore, the given expression equals to 2 when y equals half. Also, substitute y equals to 3 divided by 4 in the given expression, and we have that simplify the substituted numerical expression, and our result equals the sum of the square root of 4 divided by 3 and the square root of 10 divided by 3. When y equals to 4 divided by 3. Therefore, the given expression equals to 2 when y equals half is the only result that is given in the options. Therefore, the correct option is C.